अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 13. Prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. This is the second type of question you can get. Let's start. So first of all, we will assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. That's why root 3 plus root 5 is equal to a. If you transfer root 5 to the right hand side, we will get root 3 is equal to a minus root 5. Then square on both the sides. That will give you root 3 square will be 3. And a minus root 5 bracket square, use the expansion formula. So a square plus 5 minus 2a root 5. And transfer minus 2a root 5 to the left hand side and 3 to the right hand side. So that will give you root 5 is equal to a square plus 2 upon 2a. Now look closely here. On the left hand side, we have root 5, which is irrational number. Okay, now you need not to prove that root 5 is an irrational number here. Okay, you can directly use the statement. But on the right hand side, we have a square plus 2 upon 2a. So a is an integer. So if you perform any operation on integer, you will get a rational number, right? So basically on the right hand side, we have a rational number, correct? So, but we know that one rational and one irrational number can never be equal. So again, we are reaching a incorrect statement here. So that's why we can say this is not possible. And why this is not possible? Because of the incorrect assumption that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. So that's why it is irrational. Hence proved. Very simple.